Hey there, money savers! Welcome back to Wanderwise Explorers. Today, we're diving into the world of smart savings. We'll be exploring 5 key tips that will help beginners build up their savings without letting go of the things they love. Let's jump right in. First things first, create a budget. It's essentially your financial GPS, guiding your income and expenses. Seeing your financial picture clearly can be enlightening. It uncovers the hidden leaks and helps you steer your money more efficiently. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back. Tip number 2, track your spending. It's time to become an investigator of your own money. Start recording every penny that leaves your wallet. The more you know about your spending habits, the easier it becomes to identify and eliminate unnecessary expenses. This will help you become more aware of your habits and pinpoint unnecessary expenses that can be trimmed down. Now, let's talk about goals. To truly supercharge your savings, it's crucial to set distinct, meaningful objectives. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, a dream trip, or a nest egg for your dream home, these goals can act as your financial compass. Having clear objectives will motivate you to save consistently. Tip number 4 is a game changer: the 24-hour rule. Before you make any non-essential purchase, pause and give yourself a full day to mull it over. This self-imposed waiting period can be a powerful tool against impulse buying. This helps you avoid impulse buys and ensures that you're spending your money on things that truly matter to you. Last but not least, tip number 5, shop smart. Smart shopping means being on the lookout for deals, using coupons, and taking advantage of discounts. These can significantly cut down your expenses. There are plenty of apps and websites that can help you find the best prices on the things you need. And there you have it, 5 practical tips for beginners to start saving money today. We've covered creating a budget, tracking your spending, setting savings goals, embracing the 24-hour rule, and shopping smart. Remember, cultivating good money habits doesn't happen overnight, so be patient with yourself. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. We'd love to hear your own tips, so drop them in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to Wanderwise Explorers. Until next time, happy saving!